I think अभी तक it's valid. We have 7 years to complete 8 semesters. तो मैं तो तीसरे साल में आया था, मेरे पास 4 साल और थे 2 सेमेस्टर कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Thankfully उतना टाइम नहीं लगा.
Hi Sushant, what has been your toughest decision in life to date?
I think the first decision of dropping out of the college, because in my family everybody is a doctor, IAS officer or something like that. I'm the youngest one. I was going in the slog over, so I was supposed to make it big, and I did. I was right there. I was getting scholarship from top MBA schools, but somehow I backed myself up and I dropped
What
out.
do you think that made you do this? Like being a MBA student in life, you always have to take decisions for the company, and it will be like you are through it or you are not through it, and it was the same situation for you. So what do you think made you do that?
To prefer what I want to do over what I'm supposed to do.
That's very good answer.
Sushant, just a note, she's also winner of the fan contest that was run in the build-up to the event.
Well, can I shake your hand?
It's really appreciating.
I used to watch that.
Even I watch.
So right now my engineering college. Oh, sorry, what? I missed it. मैंने कुछ 7-8 साल सोचा था कि मुझे आने का मौका मिलेगा, लेकिन मुझे नंबर्स ने कभी मौका ही नहीं दिया यहाँ आने का. I wanted to be here, but I just couldn't make it. So yeah, I'm very honored to be here right now and answering your questions. स्टेज पे आना है? डीसी वालों को स्टेज पे आने का बड़ा शौक है. आ जाए. बड़े लंबे कर दो. ऐसे सारे स्टेज पे आ जाएंगे. सेम स्कूल हो तुम एक्टर बनना चाहते हो? थैंक्स. ये सारे मेरे जूनियर्स हो?
Start writing.
Yes, thank you so much.
How did your family react when you dropped out?
When I dropped out, yeah, they were in a state of shock. They couldn't say anything, and I took the opportunity and took the next flight.
Are you thinking to join Indian team?
What team? Indian team, what team?
Cricket team, cricket.
Achha, Indian cricket team. There are only 11 players, I guess. So the 11 players are playing right now.
You can replace one.
I want to replace one. That's what you're asking? No. I got injured so many times while I was training for MS Dhoni. Trust me, I would never become a cricketer in my life.
How was that transition different from the previous transition from basically dropping out from basically to acting? Was it tougher? How was it different?
No, it was not tougher. It's a very great question that you asked, and I think we make logic of everything only when we look backwards. It doesn't help us when we are looking forwards. You know what I mean? So if you have a different point of view, you would think that dropping out of the engineering college in third year, then quitting TV when I was at my peak, were like very strange decisions. But they were not, because I don't see theatre to TV to films. I also dwell in theatre for 5 years. So I don't see theatre to TV to films as an organic progression. I act, and I do it not to prove a point to anybody. I do it because of this equation I have with the work that I do. You put a TV camera in front of me, you put a film camera in front of me, you put a live audience in front of me, I'll do the same.
Just another note, Sushant, she was placed second in the contest.
All right.
Hello?
This is what you get when you make it big.
Hello? Hello, Sushant? Here. Okay.
ये क्या GD नहीं हो रहा है
Hi Shan.
Hi.
I'm really very big fan of yours, and I'm watching you since you are playing Preet and on the TV. Preet and Manav. So I just want to ask, how does it feel for you from being Preet and Manav to MS Dhoni?
How does it feel? So the reason of doing it and the excitement itself, they have never changed. Only my bank balance has changed for sure.
Yeah, that's what you said when someone asked you how does it feel to be Manav or Danav, and you answered, becoming a Danav is like you will get more money.
Are you a stalker?
I'm just a big fan of yours. That's what
Thank
I
you
said.
so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
सर आपने कहा कि यू लिव द मोमेंट, यू एंजॉय व्हाट यू डू, यू आर ऑलवेज एक्साइटेड. तो बेसिकली सर आपका जो सक्सेस के लिए यही रिक्वायर्ड है आपको, एक्साइटमेंट. सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि सर आपको कभी ये चीज़ ड्राइव करता है सक्सेस के लिए कि एक दिन मैं अभी बहुत बड़ा स्टार बनूंगा, मेरे भी बड़े बड़े पोस्टर लगेंगे?
मैंने यही तो आपसे कहा कि जब मैंने शुरू किया था तो मुझे यही लगता था कि ऐसा होगा तो कुछ होगा, लेकिन जब हुआ तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. आप बड़े जल्दी यूज्ड हो जाते हैं किसी भी सिचुएशन के. तो अगर आप सिर्फ पॉइंट प्रूव करना चाहते हैं लोगों को कि देखो आई हैव अराइव्ड, आई एम सक्सेसफुल, तो आप ये करते रहेंगे. जैसे वो कहावत है ना कि इवन इफ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इफ यू विन द रैट रेस यू आर स्टिल अ रैट. तो आप वही करते रहेंगे जिंदगी भर. लेकिन अगर आप एक्साइटेड हैं, you are just not concerned about what's going to happen. Let me assure you that you'll still be very successful if that's what concerns you. But it doesn't matter to you.
Hello? Hello, Sushant. To be really honest, when we first time heard that Sushant is going to play MS Dhoni, तो हम बात कर रहे थे यार कर पाएगा ये? So no doubt about your
मेरे
acting.
मोहल्ले वाले आज तक ये सोच रहे हैं कि इंजीनियरिंग कर पाएगा.
You did it brilliantly.
Thank you.
But यही क्वेश्चन आपको आया था कि देखो MS धोनी एक अलाइव कैरेक्टर है जो ऑलरेडी फेमस है, बहुत सारे फैन है. एक अलग कैरेक्टर परफॉर्म करना जो नहीं है और जो एक कैरेक्टर है अभी जो ऑल इंडिया फेमस, ऑल वर्ल्ड फेमस है, तो हाउ डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज दैट ब्रिज फॉर यू. सो आपने भी ऐसे सोचा था कि कर पाऊंगा मैं या फिर?
यार वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. I think there is a pattern to all the answers that I'm giving right now. I think we should be listening very carefully. Because all I'm saying is you are fidgety only when you are concerned about what people are going to think. You are there in the future. That's what I'm talking about. I am not there in the future. My film, like my last film which I did, Vyomkesh Bakshi, didn't turn out to be a blockbuster. It barely managed to break even. But I slogged. Thank you so much. I slogged. I'm like equally in Vyomkesh too. And right now when I look back, I'm equally proud of Vyomkesh as Dhoni. So it doesn't matter to me what people would think. All that matters is my equation of my work. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Third in the fan contest. Do you think I can get a handshake?
Handshake?
Yes.
You won't get a hug, but you can come in. Handshake you can do like.
Thanks a lot. No, Manu, please, I'm just kidding. I'm a really big fan.
Forget about management, you can be an actor.
Can we have a meet and greet? So everyone gets to check it out.
Her treat, what?
A meet and greet.
Are we done with the questions? Because then.
What advice would you like to give to the actors here in IIT Bombay?
Yeah, well, if you don't know, this place where you were just sitting, this is the theatre of IIT Bombay. Like every acting and everything.
Every theatre you can perform.
Oh, that's so cool. Wow. So, what's the question, sorry?
What would you say to the actors who perform theatre in IIT Bombay? What advice would you like to give them?
Just know the why of what you do. And that why could be anything. Like, I have friends who are actors, they just want to be famous. Fine. Or they just want to be rich. Fine. So no why is wrong. Every why is right. But as long as you know it, you're aware of it, and you're honest to it. That's it.
Hi, Sushant.
Right. Yeah. Sorry.
Hello. Hi, Sushant. I'm here. Actually, enough of, I think, formal questions are so much. Can we have a bit of dance from you on the song Gulabi?
I've stopped dancing. It's so hard since, as I said, I was a background dancer, and I picked up a very bad habit of dancing only when I'm paid. So, I'm so sorry to disappoint you, but I'm not actually ready for it right now.
Reenact the scene from MS Dhoni. Yes.
Where's this voice coming from? Sorry.
Scene from MS Dhoni where you correct the lines which you said to the which you said in the station.
Achha, do you want me to say some line?
Kharagpur station dialogue.
I like saying my mother's dialogue, which also worked for me before the time she actually became my mother in the film. But she says something like, "हमको लगता है कि ये इतने वैसे मानने वाला नहीं है."